It also allows you to calculate different aspects of the triangle, including area, height, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick, because it is what I call the centerpiece of the SAT operating system. When you first start the SAT operating system, there will be a noticeable lag here when you start some of the more complex features, but once you already enter the operating system, you have it started, there's no problem. And so what you see first here is just a dialog asking you if you want to save program values, and that's just handy if you make a calculation and you want to calculate other aspects of a triangle or circle. You don't have to go back and re-enter all the values. So I'm going to hit enter to save my values, and that takes us back to the main menu there. So on the first tab we have calculate, all the different values, clear variables, the about screen. Then you have the different sides of the triangle, all the angles, the area and height, and then the radius of an inscribed or circumscribed circle, and then a handy picture to let you know where all the different variables are and what values they correspond to. And then you can just return immediately to the operating system. And like I said, if you go back, it immediately comes up because you've already started the operating system, no problem. Then validating a triangle, basically what you do is you put in a couple different values for the sides A, B, and C, and then it'll validate whether that triangle exists or not. Pythagorean theorem, special right triangles, 45, 45, 90 degree, and 30, 60, 90 degree triangles are included in this feature. An exterior angles program, which allows you to calculate angles of a triangle inside and also outside, in other words, exterior angles. Calculating values of a triangle with an altitude drawn to a hypotenuse, and then regular triangles, and the official formula of a circle, and then a more general circles feature are included under the circles tab. It allows you to calculate things like radius, circumference, area, etc., and then also has some really nice pictures to help you with some of the more difficult geometric and circle problems, which I'll show you here. These circle pictures, some quick images with corresponding equations to let you know what you should use if you ever forget these very important equations when dealing with circles on the SAT test. And of course the parts are there. Radius, circumference, area. So we'll return to the main menu here. And you can always just hit one of the function keys, F1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in order to navigate between the different tabs. So under the polygons tab, we have calculating aspects of any polygon. Just enter the number of sides and it'll give you information about that particular polygon. Two-dimensional quadrilateral, regular square, and regular hexagon and their corresponding parts. And then three-dimensional objects, including the cube, cylinder, quadrilateral, three-dimensional, rectangular prism, right circular cone, and the sphere.